All right, boys and girls, welcome back to science. We're going to finish our book today that we started yesterday about air, and then afterwards we're going to draw a picture of what we'd like to do on a windy day. Let's go ahead and read. Air also carries smells. Bits of food or pollution float through air to your nose. Cars give off pollution that smells bad. You might smell warm cookies. Or yuck, here comes the garbage truck. This label says, the kitchen brings wonderful smells. What do you like to help your mom or dad cook in the kitchen? Do you like to stir the cake batter or help mix the eggs? Air even carries sound. Pop! A burst balloon makes sound waves. The waves ripple through air to your ears. Sound waves must ripple through something. That something is air. Incredible air. Air wraps around Earth like a fluffy blanket. And that's good news. This label says air surrounds Earth. We see the Earth here. There's the moon. And you can almost make out the air right around the Earth. People cannot live long without air. Plants, animals, and people breathe air to stay alive. Think of all the ways you use air. For breathing, for blowing bubbles, for filling balloons, for listening. Often you cannot see it or feel it, but air shapes our lives. How heat changes air. Air is always a gas, but air changes when it heats each day and cools each night. This label says hot air is lighter, takes up more space, and rises. Remember yesterday they showed the hot air balloon and they were heating the air inside the balloon and that was causing it to rise. Cold air is heavier, takes up less space, and it sinks down. All right, boys and girls. Now we're going to draw a picture. So you can go ahead and get a piece of paper and some crayons or markers, and you can draw a picture of what you like to do on a windy day. So I drew this picture. This is me flying a kite. A kite is really, really fun. And it's only possible when there's a lot of wind, when there's a lot of air rushing through. So what do you like to do on a windy day? Go ahead and draw a colorful picture, upload it, and thank you for joining me for science.